Friday Science Fun Fact this week is about viruses that not only have been helpful to humanity, but are perhaps why we have the complexity of life that we do at all. I talk a lot about infections that are harmful, and next week I'm releasing a whole episode where I talk about the retrovirus HIV and how destructive it's been. But life on Earth, and humans in particular, owe our evolution to ancient retroviruses that we now call transposons. In the past, you may have heard about how humans have so-called junk DNA, the segments of a gene called introns that get clipped out of a gene so that the active exons can get smushed together to make a usable code for a protein. We know now that junk DNA isn't really a thing, and that around 45% of the human genome is made up of jumping genes that were discovered in 1950 by Barbara McClintock, earning her a Nobel Prize in 1983. There are a few types of these transposable elements, or transposons, and some of them first integrated into primate DNA around 37 million years ago. They were very active in creating diversity with their movement, though they currently don't move around anymore. Another type that we have are retrotransposons, which evolved from ancient retroviruses, the ancestors of modern HIV. One type of retrotransposon is called a human endogenous retrovirus, or HERV, and those integrated into our genome around 25 million years ago. We do still have active moving transposons in our genome today. They're called L1, SVA, and ALU elements. These kind can cause genome instability by inserting into the middle of a gene, making it either non-functional or creating a disease condition. L1, SVA, and ALU elements have been linked to hemophilia, colon cancer, breast cancer, muscular dystrophy, even alcoholism. So maybe the monkey's paw trade-off of genetic diversity from jumping genes is that sometimes they're going to jump somewhere and have unintended consequences. Life will always find a way. Normally this process is slow, taking thousands and thousands of years, but every few hundred millennia, life leaps forward.